Are you considering using TikTok but not sure if it's worth it for your tourism business? TikTok is a powerful marketing tool that can help you reach a wider audience, showcase your business in a creative way, and stand out from your competition. When looking for a place to have lunch, almost 40% of young people don't use Google or Google Maps. They look at TikTok or Instagram instead. Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I will show you how to get more followers on your TikTok account so that you can gain more customers and grow your tourism business. Start by identifying your content pillars, which are the main topics you want to talk about or you want your brand to be known for. Have a maximum of 5 pillars so you make sure that they are clear. For example, if you run a bar or restaurant, your pillars could include food, drinks, music, and events. You need to take into consideration what people are searching for. If you're a hiking business on the Wild Atlantic Way, people might search for things to do in the area or best food places to grab some food afterwards. To find out what people are searching for, you can use a free tool like answerthepublic.com where you can type in a keyword and it will give you loads of questions on this topic. For example, best places to hike in Cork. You can then create a TikTok on each of these questions so that your audience will find this helpful and want to save or share them. This way you can reach more people and gain more followers. Remember to use descriptive captions because they are searchable as well. Try to include a question that people are searching for so you appear at the top of their search. You can also use captions to summarize the key points in your video. Thumbnails on your videos are really important. A thumbnail gives your viewers a glimpse of what your video is about and helps them decide if they want to watch it. Fun fact, 90% of best performing videos have custom thumbnails. Using large text to describe the main topic of your TikTok video is a clear and easy way to create a thumbnail that will help you get more viewers. It's okay to make several videos around the same topic, especially if they did well. Some people might have missed the previous one or simply won't scroll back that far to find them. To check if your TikToks are actually performing well, the main metrics you want to focus on to help you gain new followers are video watch time, saves, shares, and likes. The more people who have viewed a good portion of your video, the higher the watch time your video will have. And then TikTok will push this out to more and more people. So make sure to keep your videos short and to the point, as this will likely result in improving this metric. Likes, saves, and shares help your video to get seen by more people and get them to go to your profile. The more people you can get to go to your profile, the more followers you will gain. To get more likes on your TikTok video, there are 3 things to remember. First, make sure to use a popular hashtag. Hashtags are a great way to get your video seen by more people, as these are searchable. Use hashtags that are related to your video and that your customers will be searching for. For example, hiking trails of Ireland. Second, make your video as catchy as possible. TikTok users are more likely to watch and engage with videos that are creative and catchy. Put some thought into the video concept and make sure your video is engaging. And thirdly, use a trending sound. Using a song or a sound that is trending can boost your views, increase your chances of virality, and get in front of new audiences. Trends change continuously, so using an app like Trend Talk helps you stay up to date with the latest sounds to use. Remember, not every sound will suit your business, so choose the ones that work well with your content pillars. If you follow these simple steps, your account will improve and grow. In other videos, we will cover how to create a TikTok video. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at faltaireland.ie.